Hello everyone. Today is a very nice day with the sunshine and I'm feeling a bit boring, so I was thinking like what to do, and I decided to chase and try to catch somebody wild. Let's see if I'm gonna be lucky or not. Can I catch somebody today, or these wild animals, they're gonna eat me? Oh my god. Let's see. Let's search for them. Everything is nice and green around. Okay. I don't see anybody, but we have to be patient. Okay. I think I see somebody. Somebody wild is coming. Yeah, I can see it. Can you see it? It's supposed to be somewhere. I can see somebody's moving. Oh my god. Do you believe he's gonna come over? Maybe he will also attack me. Let's see. I can see somebody there, but I think he's not interested in me. My god. Can you see one tail there? I can see it. I think also I can slightly see somebody. Yeah, oh, here he's coming. Somebody's wild. Oh my god. Wild animal. Yeah. And I think this wild animal is also pregnant. Uh-oh. Look how she's looking at me. I'm not tasty, huh? I'm not tasty for you. No, you can't eat me. Look, maybe you're gonna find something else to eat. She found a snack. It's nice and tasty. Look at her. Yeah, she looks quite heavy, don't you think, guys? Look at her, she's eating. Yes. She's eating like a wild animal. Oops! The wild animal decides to escape. But I think she's coming back with the slow steps. Yeah, she's seen something interesting. Oh, that was my leg. Excuse me, where are you going, fat ass? Uh-oh, she disappeared. Oh my god, here she comes again. Uh-oh. Oh my god, a wild animal. Yeah. Look at her face. Oh yes. And the tongue. And the ears. Oh. She got a lovely coating as well. Wow. She's gonna come close to me. Do you think so, guys? Can she attack me? She's watching me. Oh my god. Do you think she is hungry? And she will attack me? Oh. Hello? Can you see me? Look at her eyes. My god, she's so sweet. She's so cute. So fluffy. Come on. You gonna come close? I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on. Come on. Where are you going? Where are you going? I think now I'm hunting you, not you hunting me. Yeah. Nice, and in the shadow, she's enjoying it. It's nice breeze there as well. Yeah, look at her, she's closing her eyes. Hello, wild animal. I think she's not gonna attack me actually, guys. She looks quite friendly. she's going somewhere. Oh, she found a piece of meat. Wow, it's nice, tasty. Yum, 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 yum. Look at her, how she's eating. And she's watching at us. My God. Yum, 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 yum. A really hungry wild animal. Oh, she's going again away. Come on, where are you going? Chuk chuk, jump, jump.